All right, so here we go. We're going to install the Flashpaq that I got for Otis. And we're going to see if this makes any difference in the fuel economy. Okay, so it's booting up now. Let's see what we got to do. Okay, to tune, press OK. Turn ignition on. Okay, so we're going to turn the ignition on without starting it up. Press OK when complete. Okay, press OK. Let me see what the quick options are real quick. I'm not sure if this thing is actually installing the Flashpaq or what's going on, because I didn't get any options to tune it a specific way for economy or anything. It's just installing. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So let's turn the ignition off and then press OK. Turn ignition on. Press OK. Initializing. Reading file 2 of 2. Okay, we'll come back when that's done. Okay, so here we go. Mileage save. I believe that is what we want right now. Press OK. Attention, mileage save was designed specifically for fuel economy, 87 octane or higher. Fuel is required. Towing is not recommended. We'll change this whenever we get ready to tow the trailer. Do I want to customize options? Heck yeah. Okay, let's go to tire size. I know I got 32s on here. Shift point 1 to 2. Superchips value. Shift point 2 to 3. Shift torque. Continue. Building the tuning file. I don't know why my gauges right now are saying the service to four-wheel drive, the temperature is over temp right now. I hope that's this thing doing something. Yes, we want to install the mileage off. Turn ignition off. Can you grab that in?
Which way's off?
Left. There we go. Turn ignition back on. Here, I'll get that. Here, you hold that. You video, and I'll do this. Alright, we'll come back when this is done. Turn ignition off.
It's okay.
Turn ignition on. Press OK. Whole bunch of this. Alright, we'll come back.
Okay, turn engine off. Resetting, please wait. We're waiting.
Well, that's going to be helpful.
Clearing DTCs, what are those?
Those are the fault codes.
Oh, okay.
And as you can see, it's having a heyday with all of my lights. So we'll see what we got going on here, and we'll try to get the mileage for you in a couple weeks or something whenever we figure out what we're going to do. We are leaving, I think it's next weekend, to go on a trip to Sholo to a barbecue festival, so hopefully we'll see some major improvement within that week. Next weekend I'm probably going to tune it before we leave for towing, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. No pun intended. Hey guys, an initial update on the Flashpaq. I am very, very happy. Just the first couple of days doing that increased my fuel economy from about 10 miles per gallon to 15. And that was only what I gathered from about 3/4 of a tank full of gas. We put it on tow when we went to Sholo, and I was getting over 11 miles per gallon towing a trailer, going from 1,400 feet in elevation up to around 7,700 feet in elevation, mostly uphill all the way. So I am very, very pleased with what happened with the Flashpaq, and I highly recommend at least using the economy and the towing section on this. I have not tried anything for performance or anything yet, but very looking forward to my overall fuel economy once I get the K&N air filter installed. Check back soon and we'll have an installation video for that, and then we'll figure out if we get better gas mileage with that too. Stay tuned, we'll see you later.